Oh yeah guys, I got Slim for Christmas. This is amazing. I love Slim so much. I did not get my chance to get him during the Halloween season, but let's open him up. Wow. Oh. Okay. Please. I swear his face better not be deformed, but let's take a look at what we got. We got a shoe. Okay, hold up. I gotta open this up. What? Dude. Look at this shoe. This shoe is incredible. It's pretty hard plastic, so that's really good. What else do we got in here? Looks like we got his clothing right here. Whoa. Oh, wow. Clothing. It's really pink. Okay, this is really cool. Oh, I see his head, guys. I see his head. His head. But first let's take out this other shoe so that we can make way for the other items. Here's the other shoe. Oh my god. Alright, now we gotta tilt this way. Alright guys, so I got his whole box down and we are slowly taking out every single piece. Here is his head. Oh my god. I think I got a really good swim head, guys. This looks like a good swim head. Guys, my Slim looks. Hold up, I need to take this out. My Slim looks great. Oh my god, hold up. Look at this head. This head looks amazing, guys. Wow. This is probably one of the better Slim heads besides the prototypes and samples. This is such a good head. Alright, here comes all his stuff right here, and then we can get to the setup. Wow. He has huge proportions. Alright, let's unzip tie everything, and let's get to his setup. Here we go. First, you put down the base. Put on his leg pulls. Next, you put on his shoes. Next, you put on his clothes. Next, you put on his mechanism. Next, you put on his arms. Next, you have to put on his head. Would you look at this head? This is his head. Close up real quick. Really good looking head. Probably one of the better ones I've seen. So let me just put this on. Next, you put on his bag. And here is his bag. It's really nice quality, but the only thing that sucks, P&G popcorn. Why, Spirit? Why? You were doing so good with Slim, and then you decided to put this P&G popcorn. But all you have to do to put on the bag is just attach it to the Velcros inside the hands. So yeah, that's it guys, that is Slim. Now we just gotta wire him up and watch his demo.